Okay, good afternoon, good evening, guys. Welcome to the halftime show. This is John Yu or Boomy Trader. We're here to talk about all the movers and mga winners and losers for the past 3 days of the week. So, sobrang daming gumalaw. Ako nahihilo ko. Hindi ko alam, parang ang daming umakyat, tapos ang dami rin nahuhulog, sabay-sabay silang gumagalaw. So, we want to filter out as much yung mga noise as much as possible. So yung aim natin dito is to update you guys to kung ano yung mga gumagalaw and bakit sila gumagalaw, bakit bumagsak to, ano yung reason, may news ba or anong current events nangyayari. So if hindi kayo masyadong tutok sa market, I think this is one of the videos na kailangan niyo panoorin para to keep you up to date with current events and market movers. So here we have a new setup. So I'm just trying this out. So we can see the New York Stock Exchange. Okay, so without any delay, let's talk about the stock market. PSEI down today, down 1.5%, 100 points down to 7,000. Okay, this is a natural move. Bakit? So, yung mga tao, parang sanay na sila hindi natatalo. So ngayon, nag-down ng 2 days yung market, parang bilang nagkakagulo na. So this is a natural correction, healthy correction for us because umakyat na yung market ng dire-diretso. So I'm gonna share my screen and then we will look at the charts. Okay, so here we have the chart, PSEI chart here. So as you can see, dire-diretso na yung angat nito. Okay, dire-diretso na to. So this 2-day correction is just a natural correction. Siyempre, hindi naman pwedeng dire-diretso umaakyat. Okay? So we can zoom in. Here, we can see the PSEI move to the 10-day MA. It can also go to the 20-day MA if possible, but we can see a lot of funds rotating up, meaning nun, we can see mga umakyat, nagpapahinga, and then we're moving on to the other movers. Okay, so this video, the halftime show, pag-usapan natin yung movers and losers. Okay, so unahin natin today since nandito na lahat. Okay, number 1 on the list, ACEX. Okay, why is ACEX a top gainer for today? It's up 24%. Okay, 24%. News, press news. Kung di kayo, meron tab dito sa right side. Press news, clarifications of news reports. We have clarification of news reports. Ano ba yan? Okay. Here. So, sabi niya, this is the response to the Ayala in search of deep pocketed partner. So they want to really want to explore that in Northwest Palawan area, oil and gas exploration. Sobrang tagal na to. I've been saying this since last year. They've been wanting to share that, to explore that part of the yung part ng property nila, which is merong possibility na may oil and gas. Okay, so that's why we saw ACEX move today. Okay, so market cap of ACEX is just 2.2 billion pesos. Okay, so I've always compared this to PXP. Okay, let's look at PXP. PXP has a promise of yung drilling and its market cap is 24.2 billion. Okay, that's 1/10 yung market cap ng Ayala ACEN. Okay, so the value wise of this is very, very big if ever they find oil. Okay, so that's one. So moving on, so this is a good price action. We have to wait for this to pause or somewhere here to get in. Okay, so we can see a huge spiking volume today. It's up, yes, it's up 24%. So we will see nabutas niya na to. So with ADX at 45, really gaining momentum in this area. Okay, so up next we have IPM, but volume is only 13,000, so we will not waste our time here. Wow, ABACOR. Okay, ABACOR is a top mover for today. It's up 13%. So I na-feature ko na to sa, pinost ko na to sa ano ko, ditong area na to when it broke this trend line here. Na-break na tong trend line na to here. So yan, lumabas na siya, and then nagkakaroon na ng traction here around this area, nag-spike na dito. So around 55, 54, ganyan, dire-diretso na. So we can see a huge volume here. I think may interest yung ABAD sa mga power and power projects. I think nag-report sila before ng mga news na may plan sila doon. So I think that's a play, or maybe it's just a third liner play. Itong REG, walang volume. Itong OPM, huwag na tayong magsaya ng panahon. MARC Ventures, nickel play. I guess the theme now is EV. So yung mga electric vehicles, electric cars in the US, sobrang tumataas, and they all use nickel for their battery. So I think ito yung kaya umakit yung nickel stocks today. So MARC Ventures is a nickel play. We can check out Nickel Asia also. Nickel Asia is up 6% also. Nakita natin yung FNI also is up 2%, but earlier today, it's up almost 17%. Naging volatile lang, nagkaroon ng profit taking. But as you can see, itong stock na to, up na siya ng, closing today, it's up already 50%. Kanina sa pataas, it's already up 82%. So I'm sure a lot of people are, diba, pag bumili ka 2 weeks ago sa 1.4, you want double your money, you want almost double your money, you want to take profits. So that's one thing also. So kaya nagkaroon ng huge profit taking and volatility. So this is today, this is not normal. We've seen, nakita natin yung other mover today, yung Mary Mart, up ng 5% ng umaga, tapos nag-close down 7%. That's a huge swing. So from up 10%, 6, 7, actually up ng 8%, 7%, bilang bumagsak ng ganon. So this is also a natural correction. Why? Because sobrang taas na ng inakyat. Look at this run. It's been up 79%. Pag kanina, yung top kanina, it's been up 92% for the last 15 days. So this correction right here, pag nag-correct yan, pag bumili ka nung 15 days ago sa 3.5, you are still up 66%. So you have to think of that in that point of view na galing yung 3.5. If bumili ka kanina, huli ka na sa party. Okay? So that's one. Another favorite is down today. Bakit siya down today? Nakita natin down 8%. Nag-gap down pa early in the morning. Why? Because if we look at the news here, we have an acquisition or disposition of shares by an affiliate. So we can see here, nag-report na nagbenta yung isang affiliate nila ng 8 million shares yesterday at the high. So we saw that's one of the parang partners nila. But dito yan, pero nakita rin natin nag-announce siya, nagbebenta siya ditong area na to. So this big red right here, nag-announce din siya, he sold around 5 million shares. Dito, 3 million shares, 8 million shares total here. Today, he announced also, he announced that he sold yesterday at this area, 680, 690 sa may high, 8 million shares. So I guess, yun yung isa sa key, bakit bumaba muna to. So again, this can go down easily to the 10-day MA or not go down and continue its way up tomorrow. So we will see what happens there. Right? BHI, 5 million volume traded. So is this valid? If you are, I don't know the news here, so I'm just, TUGS is going up, trending. Tas kanina umakyat yung volume spike. So I'm not sure what's happening here, but it's a mover. So if you are trading this, then yeah, okay naman siya. Sun also is third liner property stock. So grabe din to. from the bottom, dito sa consolidation, sa breakout 130, up na rin ng 32%. So there's no, siguro it's playing catch up since lahat nga nung nagro-rotate. So if kumita ka sa iba, you will want to sell your winners and move it to other stocks na hindi pa gumagalaw. One example will be this Sun Trust, okay? SBS sumakyat pero lit ng volume, 700,000 lang. Pero ito nag-pause siya dito. So ito yung point of entry natin. Pag binabantayan po natin siya, pero kung ako hindi ko siya nakita, so wala na rin. Ni Hao is up. Wow. Okay, so wow. So this is on a very, very sneaky uptrend. Okay. So as you can see, this is a long uptrend channel. Grabe to pala, no? 142, 280. So from the breakout here, it's already up double. So congrats sa mga nakahuli nito. It's so today is a breakout. So if you want, this is an ADX 50 with momentum. So ganda pa rin ng Ni Hao. So yeah, yes, you can trade this. BH. Okay, so tapos na tayo sa gainers na yun. We're here. APVI. This is a good chart. This was a property dividend of Robinson's Land. So we can see the chart here. Nag-consolidate lang dito sa taas. Dito. Yan. Then nag-break siya ng 1350. Yan. So nagpakita konti. It has an ADX of 40 plus. So this is very, very promising also. I like this stock also. So we'll see what happens. Ano pa ba? Okay, we'll go on. Yung gumalaw din last week was Wool, but you can see, as you can see, companies without proper fundamentals bumabalik din ng mabilis, right? So we can see here, let's check out the top losers. So BSC top loser to. So yung gusto ko lang dito, after it formed a big consolidation here at the around 20 to 25 area, it broke out yesterday with a huge volume, and now we can see a profit taking here. So as long as this, I think this breakout is above 25, as long as this stays above 25, we can see a gap, diba? Mag-fill yung gap. I think okay lang as long as it doesn't go below 25, or it can fill this gap until 25 cents nga. So volume is coming in at the past 3 days, huge volume. So maybe there's a play here. IDC, we saw this bumagsak lang bigla, no, for no reason. So I guess nagkaroon sila ng stockholders meeting yesterday, but I was looking for ng news pero wala akong nakita. So nagulat na ako why it's down. Okay, ACEN, we already said that. FA, okay, so this one's a huge, just a normal profit taking kasi it's been up big since na-suspend siya, 35 cents, double na nga, 135 cents, diba? So this is just a normal correction. So if you want, aabangan mo yan if gusto mo siya bilhin. Mary Mart, we discussed that. Wala to. Macro Asia, huge. This is a bearish engulfing candle. So this is, I don't know if is this good or bad, but may news ba? Pero that's a bad candle right there. It's a big bearish engulfing candle. Recently may reports that they will have a joint venture dun sa Sangli Airport. Okay, so I guess we'll check the news column here. So wala eh. Parang may nakita lang ako na malapit na ma-approve. So I'm not sure what's the update there. Update doon, no? Here we can see some STR, wala. So we can talk about other movers. Okay. So we can see, we saw CLI go up today. So parang nag-change par value yata siya. So it's up today. Mga NIKL Asia up 6%. Ganda ng uptrend, oh. Ni Hao pala to. NIKL Asia is also in a current uptrend. So if ever nakuha nyo siya dito sa July or August, it's been a very, very uptrending channel. Shell PH is up also. So siguro dahil umaangat yung to take, okay, Shell takes closure of refinery 12 days ago. So I'm not sure why this is moving up. Okay. So PCOR also moved last week, late last week. Yeah, no. So biglang umakyat ng mga refineries for walang reason. So I think baka may news na lalabas, but as of now we can just trade the chart. Price action is always the first priority pa rin, no? We saw Cebu Pacific rise last week. Buong week siya umakyat. Nakita natin from 43 all the way to 52. That's 20% in 6 days. Opening up team, di ba? Sabi nila, pwede mag-travel ulit, ganyan. So, across the globe, all airline stocks and travel stocks, talagang sumipa lahat. So, I just mentioned last week ito lang yung travel stock natin. Aside from PAL, which is very, very illiquid, so Cebu Pacific is one of the plays for that opening up play dahil pwede na mag-travel ulit kasi yung COVID cases bumababa. So this is one of those turnaround companies. So yan, so malayo pa yan. So we can see we're now currently at 52. Galing yan ng 76. Pre-COVID was 79 or $80. So if you're banking on that, di ba, pwede. SSI, nakita natin gumalaw rin to, no? Yan. So nakita natin yesterday, top gainer siya to yesterday. Sinasabi nila na malakas daw yung e-commerce nila, okay? Hindi ko nabasa yung earnings, but I'm sure people still take out Shake Shack. Meron Zara online, so I think it's recovering also. So this run is malakas din run na to, 120 na breakout until 185, almost 56%. Okay. Fruit also went up. Fruit, I guess, nag-carry over na rin, di ba? So, nag-rotate lahat. Dito tayo sa mga food. So, dito frutas. The last news was nagka-partner sila with the packaging partner who bought in at 1.6 per share. Yun lang. Okay. We saw GT Cap move last week. Ngayon, nagko-correct, di ba? So, just like the index, it can correct also. Okay. PXP, walang nangyayari. APX, top loser. Yung gold kasi bumaba, yung gold price bumaba. So, we can see mga gold mining stocks go down. PX is also down. APX is down. Right? So, it's now nag-break ng 50-day MA. RLC, we can see recently umakyat din to. MWIDE is a controversial mover. Ito, ang daming news. So, itong news na to, umakyat siya. Sabi, tuloy na yung parang airport project. Tapos, ngayon, bumaba. Whatever reason. So, this chart is maganda yung correction na chart na to. So, this is the breakout. Breakout is at 8 pesos. It broke out and then gave you an entry at 950 and gave you a 1 day of 10% gains. And then now it's pulling back near the 10-day MA. So I'm just going to do a quick sample here. What will happen tomorrow? If this goes up tomorrow like that, we want to buy it there at 9.8, 9.9, put your stop at 950, and then this can go boom back to 11. So that's the first case, first bullish case. Okay, second bullish case, it can go down to the 20-day MA before, moving up. Right? So, that's the second scenario. Scenario 3, pwedeng bullish sobra, bukas, umakyat na bigla, may news bigla, pwedeng ganun. So, we always look at the premium charting. We always, sometimes we use the 3 scenarios, yung pinaka-bullish, pinaka-bearish, and the neutrals. So, yes, that's a sample of the premium premium charting session. But right now, we're just talking about the movers. Okay, so here, we saw banks move, SECB move last Monday. Earnings last week, so lakas ng move niyan. So for a bank from 105, 107 to 120, that's 16% in 3 days. So we're really in a huge bull run. Ang daming malalakas. We saw SMC also move. So this was coming from 100. So let's just say 108 in 3 days, nag-up ng 30%. So we are zooming in. So now it's correcting. It's just a healthy correction. Of course, pag bumili ka sa 110, right now it's 127, you want this to correct at near the 10-day MA. So we have the chance to enter. Ang daming stocks na may chance to enter. So you cannot make an excuse of not pulling the trigger if meron ng opportunity given to you. Okay? So if you want to so this is just the halftime show. I think medyo mahaba na rin yung pinag-usapan natin. I hope this video helped you guys. Comment kayo kung may gusto kayong stock na malaman. Premium members, I'll see you guys on Sunday. And then we have a new feature for our premium website. Premium members pala, we have a Viber group. So that's a 20, pwede ka magtanong live questions during market hours or after market hours. So if you want to join our premium, the Boomi Premium subscription, you can email me at boomyuniversity@gmail.com. So guys, thank you for watching. I'll see you guys again next Wednesday. So ito yung bagong setup natin for the halftime show. I hope the audio is clearer now. And then we have live from New York. Thank you for watching. God bless you all. I hope we make some more money last 2 days of the week. And then almost December na. I'll see you guys next week. Make the most out of this opportunity. Okay? Thank you very much for watching.